If you're looking for a tablet that works for you as an artist and you're in a budget, I think I have the tablet for you. The Galaxy S6 Lite. So, I got this. Let's see if it's not broken. Hopefully it isn't broken. Sorry if the sound quality is not great. I was too excited and forgot to connect the mic. Anyway, are you broken? Hopefully it's not freaking broken. It might be broken. So this is a case. And this is this. I've been waiting for this so long. This is freaking awesome. Yeah, well, hopefully it's not broken. Alright, hopefully I would have another freaking camera so you can see my face, but I'm too excited to turn on the other camera, so I'm just gonna do it with this. Do not accept if seal is broken. Caution, sealed package. So you're not supposed to accept it if it's broken. Alright. There you go. Look at that. Yeah, this is not top of the line. This is what I was able to get basically. And yeah, I've been thinking about this for a long time, and there's a reason for me to actually get this. Well, I'm gonna embark on a trip and I'm going to need something that I can use on the trip to work. So I just kind of bit the bullet and bought this. How the heck? Okay, so you do this. Oh, this is nice. This is real nice. And there's the pencil. I wanna. So you have this. I'm guessing here's the thing to. I guess you can put a memory card on it. I actually didn't get one of those. Maybe I should at some point. I don't know. And the pencil. Well, I haven't tested it yet, but it seems interesting. I have to see. I have to see if it works properly. Put that aside. And the other. Oh, let me put this back on the box. There's another thing. This is the other package that I bought. It's just a really sturdy case for this. Does this open? Is this an easy open? Oh yeah, look at that. I was about to freaking break it. Alright. Alright. So I'm guessing this is to clean it. This is like a... Is this another pencil? Maybe. I don't know what this is. There's a strap here. Might not use a strap. So, one, open the clips on all sides and remove from PC. So, like that. Remove the silicone from the side or the corner. Then place the tablet into the hard PC. Install silicone and make sure the corner installed correctly. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do all that, but you can see that I bought it because it has this nice feature, and it's also seems to be really sturdy, which is something I wanted. It's kind of similar to my phone case, which my wife was nice enough to get for me. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get that after. There's all the fingers on top of the freaking thing. Just turn it on. You can probably see the phone. Does it turn on? Oh, it does. Cool. Pure Binox. You can probably hear my baby on the background. Oh, it says China on the pencil. That's kind of funny. I don't think with how the world works right now that there's any way that we can do stuff fully separately. There are way too many different parts to any products. Let's start. Well, let me set this up and then I'll continue with the video. Okay. Oh, my wife helped me with this. So this is a full case. I'm guessing. Does it come with a plastic? Do you bring a plastic? Okay, let's see how that works. Hopefully I don't. Okay, so it's this way. All right. Whoa.
Like so.
So it has to go through all the corners, get all the corners right, and once you have that, I guess the other part goes. Come on. It really doesn't bring another thing. I thought it brought like a plastic thing. Oh, okay. Well, that's that then. So this goes over here. Okay. And this goes the other way. It goes like that. I think I got it, maybe. This corner. Okay. So there you go. So seems fairly sturdy. I think I need to buy a protector for it. I bought another case. I don't know if that other one brings that. So as you can see, this one has a strap that you can slit your hand and gives you more control over it, and which I like. I like the sturdiness. Might be extreme for some, but for me, it's like what I wanted. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully you can handle it. Apparently was able to install Krita. I'm going to test it out and see if it works. As I said, I had to go on a trip, but between the moment I got the tablet and now that you're watching this video, I tested it thoroughly. I have made multiple illustrations, basically focusing on two apps: the Sketchbook app from Adobe and Krita. The Sketchbook app is awesome, works really good with a tablet. Even though I have my reservations about Adobe, it's a really good app if you wanna use a painting solution for your tablet. And Krita, well, if you follow me and you've seen my videos, I talk a lot about Krita. It works fairly well with the tablet. Sometimes it can get a little bit wonky and laggy, but it's like I'm asking too much of a tablet that doesn't have the amount of resource I have on my PC, for example. So I guess you could take that into account when it comes to how the tablet performs, but I would definitely recommend it. So far, it has worked perfectly for me. I've been able to connect it to my phone and use my phone as a sidekick to my tablet because I have more memory on my phone. So I would definitely recommend you checking it out if you're on a budget and you need a solution for your tablet. Also, the pen, I think it works well. So yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.